Hey there folks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Emboss tool in Fusion. So, a while ago at this point, because of how I'm scheduling out videos, it would be that I made a text video. And I meant to make an Emboss video right after, but I forgot. So, I will be leaving that video in the description, but also if you just go to the playlist, it's in there somewhere with the text tool. But it's very, very simple. So you go to create, you go down to emboss, which the hotkey for me is B, and you select the sketch profiles, which would be all of these. So you hit this one, you hit shift to select more at once, and then you select the face, which would be this guy, and there we go. So you can either emboss or deboss. Deboss just means it goes in. Emboss means that it comes out. Personally, most of the time I'm a fan of debossing things, but to each their own. So we're just going to emboss this time, and you can pull it out as far as you want. You can angle it so it rotates a little bit, but we're just going to put that back. You can move it if you don't like where the text is. You can go up, you can go down. You can do a lot with emboss. It's a very useful tool. It's kind of like extruding text if you don't want to extrude text. So, there we go. That's how you use the Emboss tool in Fusion.